Hi, I'm Keith Shannon with Direct Carpet. Today we're going to show you how to put in a fast, quick, easy stair runner. Stick around. So first we're going to take our roll of carpet. I've got this already pre-cut down to size that'll fit this landing and these two stairs. We're going to roll this out. We're going to measure over from this side. I've got 7 1/4 there and 7 1/4 there. We're at 3 inches there, and we're at 3 inches there. So we've got that lined up. We're gonna flip our tab here. We're gonna wiggle our staple gun into the pile, and we're gonna put one staple. Put one here, and how we like to do it is we like to put a staple every inch. Every inch or two, wiggle, and right between the binding and the carpet, we're gonna flip that little tab there. We're gonna wiggle it just a little bit, and then we're gonna do that all the way down. No underpad every 2 inches, underpad every inch. We're gonna do it all along this side, every 2 inches, every 3 inches. Okay, landing is done. We're just gonna roll this down backwards, and we're gonna fold this under the nose. And what I like to do is I like to squeeze it a little bit and form that so that the staples don't pop out underneath the nose. I like to take my tucker and I like to groove it underneath to get a nice straight line. The more you groove it, the nicer it looks. So then underneath, we're gonna put a staple every inch. Take the edge or the tip of our stair tool or tucker, and we're gonna score this along. Now the links in the video will show you where to get these tools. Same thing, we're gonna score it with the tip of our stair tool or carpet tucker. Then we're gonna take our electric staple gun, pop one in the end, and work our way down every 2 inches on this one.